Welcome back to the Auto Master, your ultimate destination for premium car reviews, latest model insights, and in-depth breakdowns of the most luxurious vehicles hitting the market. Today we're diving into the stunning new 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL, a car that represents the fusion of high-performance roadster engineering with the unrivaled luxury of the Maybach brand. Designed for those who crave the best of both worlds, this vehicle takes the iconic SL class and reimagines it with an even more exclusive touch of craftsmanship, technology, and opulence. The 2026 Maybach SL offers a commanding presence with its elongated hood, chrome-accented grille, and sleek yet aggressive stance. The signature Maybach vertical slats and optional two-tone paint finish set this vehicle apart immediately, signaling its elevated status in the Mercedes lineup. The design doesn't just impress at a glance. It reveals thoughtful detailing and aerodynamic enhancements that improve both aesthetics and performance. Under the hood, the new SL is powered by a handcrafted twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers an astonishing blend of raw power and refined composure. Producing upwards of 600 horsepower, this Maybach SL roars from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3.5 seconds, all while maintaining an effortless and composed ride quality thanks to the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system and advanced active suspension. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts with buttery smoothness, offering a perfectly calibrated driving experience, whether you're cruising on the open road or accelerating through tight corners. Inside the cabin, the Maybach SL wraps you in next-level luxury. Sumptuous Napa leather, real wood trim, and custom embroidery set the tone for an elite interior environment. Dual 11.9-inch OLED screens provide cutting-edge infotainment and navigation capabilities, while the Burmester 4D surround sound system turns every journey into a concert hall experience. Rear seat passengers, although limited due to the SL's two-door design, are still treated to the finest materials and thoughtful ergonomics, including massage and ventilated seating. The technological innovation doesn't stop with entertainment. Advanced driver assistance features include semi-autonomous driving, active lane change assist, adaptive cruise control, and a head-up display with augmented reality. The Maybach SL also introduces enhanced ambient lighting with customizable color zones and Maybach-specific animations, elevating the sensory feel of the interior to a whole new level. This car is more than just a statement. It's a masterpiece built for connoisseurs of style and performance. It successfully blends the sporty DNA of the SL lineage with the bespoke refinement of Maybach, resulting in a vehicle that feels both thrilling and tranquil, depending on how you choose to drive it. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL is not just a luxury car. It's an experience sculpted for those who demand the extraordinary from every detail. Make sure to subscribe to Auto Master for more reviews of the world's most elite cars, from upcoming releases to hidden gems. Hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't miss any update from the channel that brings automotive luxury to your screen.